Hello, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to use Chatgpt to write a rejection letter. Writing a rejection letter is very important as you want to come across as professional and not too harsh. So I recommend that you use Chatgpt OpenAI to do this. And by the way, you can see that my Chatgpt dashboard looks a lot different compared to the regular platform. And that is because I've added an extension. And I also recommend that you add this extension. So you are going to open a second tab and you are going to type in ChatGPT for search engines. Once you have done that, I want you to tap on the first option right here. After you have done that, you are going to be redirected to this page right here, which is the web store. And from here, you will see the extension ChatGPT, Chatonia, GPT-3, and GPT-4. And I want you to add the extension. And by the way, you can see that it is being used by over 200,000 users. After you have added the extension, you are going to go back into ChatGPT and you are going to see the menu option at the top, and I want you to tap on Career. After you have done that, you can see numerous prompt templates that you can use. And by the way, by prompt, I mean that the command that you would normally type in the search box right here, as everything that you type in the search box, if you type in something that is not fully detailed, you are going to get back a response that probably won't be the best. So it all depends on how good you can type in your prompt. So why not use one of these professional templates? So we're going to tap on rejection letter. Then you'll see what are you going to create. Write a rejection letter. And right where you see candidate's name, you're going to simply highlight that. And you're going to type in the candidate's name. So all of the sections that you see are highlighted. You're going to simply fill in that position. So let me do that real quick. So I'll add the company name next. So let's say the company's name is Simple Answers. Let me do that. Then you're going to see right where you see your name. Let me do that real quick. My name. So let's say, for example, my name is Tess. Then if you would like to add feedback, you can do that. And right where you see length limit, you can add the length limit. So let's say, for example, I want it to be 350 words. Then I'm going to choose the tone. So I'll tap right here. And you can see that you have numerous tone styles that you can use. So let's say I want to be emphatic. So I'm going to select that. Then you can select the output language. And my output language will be English. Then I'm going to tap on send message. After you have tapped on send message, you're going to give it a few seconds. Then from here, you can scroll down and you can see the rejection letter. So you'll fill in your name, your position, the company name, company's address, and the email address and phone number. Then you can see the rejection letter right here. So you can see rejection of application for driver position. And you can see the information right here. I hope this letter finds you well. I wanted to personally reach out to express our gratitude for your interest in the driver position at. We appreciate the time and effort you invested in applying for the role and for considering us as a potential employer. And you can scroll down and you can read more. And if it is to your liking, all you'll need to do now is simply tap right in the top right hand corner right here to copy it, and then you could paste it into whichever email platform you are using, or you can paste it into Google Docs and you can do further editing. And again, if you would like to use this feature with anything, so let's say, for example, you want to use it with something else, let's say for a job description, or you would like to use it for a reply interview, you can do it also. You can also use it to create interview questions. You can use it to create LinkedIn posts if you want. There are numerous options on which you can use this extension. If you even want to go into marketing, for example, email marketing or so on, you can use it by simply tapping on email. and from there you can select one of the templates right here. As you can see, there are numerous options you can use. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.